You only maybe get a bonus once a year, but you get paid 12 times a year. Is that even enough? Let's talk about it for a second. After bills, groceries, fuel, and kid stuff, what's left? $50? $20? Sometimes nothing? You know that feeling when payday comes, but nobody says the truth. Most of us aren't paid enough to live. I used to check my banking app before I went grocery shopping. If you ever felt that pit in your stomach in the grocery line, wondering if your card will go through, you're not lazy. You're not failing. You're just stuck in a system that was never built for you to win. I was working 40 plus hours a week, showed up on the right time, stayed overtime when I needed to, and I did everything right. And still, I was living paycheck to paycheck. And sometimes the bonuses that I got, they were gone. Bills, groceries, sometimes debt. And I just kept thinking, how is this normal? How is it that I'm doing everything right, but I'm still behind? I hit a breaking point, and I realized something huge. If my income only changes once a year, my life will never change. Because think about it. Your groceries don't go up once a year. Your fuel, electricity, they change every single week. But your paycheck, 12 times a year? And that's when it hit me. I needed something that could pay me more than 12 times a year. And that is when I found digital products like the DMS, Digital Magnetic System, and the Legacy Builder programs. They are done for you businesses that shows you how to earn money online, even as a complete beginner. And what I love most, it gave me control over my income. I wasn't waiting for my boss. I wasn't waiting for a raise that might never come. I was building something that worked for me. So what are digital products? They are things like ebooks, templates, guides, and even courses. They are things that people buy online each and every day. With the Digital Magnetic System and the Legacy Builder programs, you don't have to figure it out on your own. It gives you the trainings, it gives you the websites, and the products are already set up and ready for you. I will link the Digital Magnetic System and the Legacy Builder programs in the description below. You don't need to be techie, and you don't need to sell to friends or family. You just follow the steps, start attracting people who want to buy, and not chase them. It's not about being pushy. It's about being magnetic. Here's one thing. When I made my very first sale, I was shocked. Not because of the money. It was about what it meant. It meant that I wasn't stuck anymore. It meant that there was a way out of that 9-to-5 hamster wheel. And I've watched other people, moms, 9-to-5 workers, people who got laid off, who were scared to even try and start earning too. But I've watched other people as well that started scared, that started to take action because they didn't want to stay stuck in that same situation. You don't need a fancy background. You don't need a massive following. It's just everyday people that are learning new skills each and every day, one step at a time. It's not overnight, but it is repeatable. How long are you going to wait for things to change? For that bonus, for that raise, that promotion that never really changes anything? Imagine seeing that notification that you got paid on a random Friday. Imagine paying the bills and you still have money left. Imagine freedom, the kind where you get to choose how to live your days. That is what digital income feels like. It's not about becoming a millionaire. It's about breathing again. It's about peace. It's about options. It's about time. If you are tired of waiting for things to change, this is your sign. The Digital Magnetic System and the Legacy Builder programs are a done-for-you system that shows you exactly how to earn with digital products, step by step. You don't need followers, you don't need to have experience, you just need a decision. Because 12 paychecks a year isn't enough anymore. It's time to start building something that pays you each and every day. And it's time to stop building excuses. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the next tips that I have got in store.